Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use tick chart on TradingView, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on TradingView and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the chart of the BTC USDT, and right above this chart you can see the indicators option, which is at the right side of the candlestick icon. You need to click on that indicators option and another section pops out where you need to search for the tick chart on the search bar. Now right after that, in this just down below the comment, you can see the tick chart. You need to click on that option and now you'll be able to add a tick chart indicator successfully. So basically this is how you can use tick chart on TradingView, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.